Introducing the shell. On the right is the shell. This is a place for running small bits of Python code. Just type in some code, press enter, and it'll run. Try it now. Click anywhere on the shell, the black area. Type 1 plus 2. Press enter key on your keyboard. So it says, great. Python evaluated 1 plus 2 and got the result 3, so the shell displays that. The shell is probably your most important tool for learning Python, and you should spend lots of time experimenting and exploring it. Be curious. Constantly ask yourself, what would happen if I ran X? And then immediately answer that question by running it. Never be too scared to try something out. If you get something wrong, nothing bad will happen. Try doing some more calculations now. You can multiply numbers with star, divide with slash, and subtract with dash. You can also use parentheses, i.e. left paren and right paren.